Welcome to Dragonfly Trading. Hope everybody's having a wonderful day. My name is Carrie and I'm a full-time Elliott Wave trader in the crypto and Forex markets. Today's video is going to be a quick update on Bitcoin. For those of you that did put in alt requests, I promise to get to them next video. I am currently not at home. I am at a family member's house that was unexpected. So that's why my webcam is turned off for their privacy. So remember, this is not financial advice. This is just the way that I see the market. So if you've been following my videos, you know that I have went over every correction that can happen still up here in this fourth wave that we hope that's going to happen. But today we're just going to talk about this little part right in here, and we're going to go over the bull and the bear scenarios, okay? If you're interested in the overall picture, how I feel about this bottom structure, I have linked those videos in the description below. All right, so the bull scenario is that somehow we bottom down here, and this structure to the upside is what we call a leading diagonal. With that being said, if the bull scenario is going to play out, we will need to come down in this channel in a very controlled manner, meaning that we're not going to break it violently. Violently, I mean, you know, these sharp drops, okay? And what we actually have is either an A wave or a wave 1. And what we're looking for is a 2 wave or B wave. And it will have to channel down in this channel in a series of ABCs, meaning this is a flat, possibly, for the first ABC. This is a connector ABC. Then we come down A, B, C, and we could even keep coming down. Complete invalidation is breaking the low right at the bottom here. For this to be the bullish scenario, we cannot break this low. If it's a wave 2, we will come up and we will get that big third wave that we're all wanting for this to continue and break all-time highs in the fifth wave. If it's a B wave, then we have the option of coming up in 3 or 5 to get us up higher into the other corrections that I talked about, the triangle, the running flat, the expanded flat, all the other corrections that can happen up here. But we will have to come down in a controlled channeling manner and not break this low. The bear scenario is that we had either a 5 wave move or we had a 3 wave move. Let me back that up. Sorry about that. Or a 3 wave move. This is all a 3 wave move. Okay. And now we are getting the partner wave that I've been talking about for so long, which is the partner for this move to the downside. Whether it's 3 or 5, it doesn't matter that much. Okay, but we would be getting it now. And how would we be getting it is with what I call, or what the Elliott Wave world calls, a 1-2-1-2, a nest. And what will happen here is that we will break this channel. We will break it with a third wave that comes approximately to 26,700 and a fifth wave that comes approximately to 23,185, and it could come deeper. This is just some approximate targets. Let's get in a little closer here and talk about it. Now, when you have a 1-2-1-2 like this, your first 1-2 is usually, or should be, bigger than your second 1-2. So the first one took approximately 11 days. Right now, we are sitting at 7 days. Okay, so right now we're okay, but this too needs to be shorter in time than this too. Now that's not a rule, that's a guideline. But if this starts extending out past the 11 days, it's less probability that we have the 1-2-1-2 on the table. If we break over this high at approximately 48,900, this 1-2-1-2 is completely invalid. Breaking this high at 45,250 and breaking out of this channel is less probability that this 1-2-1-2 is taking place. What we really need here is a break of this channel to the downside. So let's get a little closer and let's talk about the count in more detail. Okay. Now we have some back and forth choppy price action going on here. Right in the middle here, well, let me make it more simple so I don't confuse you. This choppiness coming down can either be one of two things because of the way it's overlapping and choppy. It's either an expanding diagonal, which would be a wave 1, or it's a B wave. If it's the expanding diagonal, we're going to come on down, and this is going to be a 1, 2, and we're going to come on down and break this channel for the wave to the downside. If it's a B wave, the way that it will play out is this was an A, this is a B, and we're going to pop to the upside for a C, and this wave 2 would be moved over here. Now I'm going to try to make this as simple as possible so you understand. We have what we call the expanded B pocket. That is a pocket right here, the 1.236 and the 1.382. You get this pocket by pulling from the low to the high of the A wave. This B can come down into this pocket and then give you a sharp, swift C to the upside. It's called a running or an expanded flat. This is unexpected. It's a wreck the shorts type of move. If we break down and touch the 1.618 at 38,595 on log scale, this B wave becomes invalid. So once we break into this 1.618, B wave comes off the table, and the 2 will stay over here, and we'll most likely be breaking the channel to the downside for the wave 3. But watch out for this move of this being a possible B wave. I cannot tell 100% sure whether it's a B or it is an expanding diagonal, which would be a wave 1. Okay, so I know this was short and sweet. Let me know in the comments what you think, and I hope everybody has a wonderful day.